Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. So this design was done using this script, which uses a combination of letter stems and modifiers to make the consonants, and then vowels are these little circles, so like vowel, 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 and they have different positions depending on what vowel they are and if they're attached on one of the four consonant stems. With that being said, let's go ahead and get to the design and start reading it. So you start at the bottom and you go counterclockwise. And I have this little marker here, which allows the orientation to be changed, so that way you know the bottom is here, so you're able to rotate and even flip this design if you so choose to have it go wherever you would like, and it is still legible because we still start here and we go the direction of this circle. So it's like a little eyeball looking this way. So if you even flip it, you can still read it. So anyway, I'm going to orient it so that way that little mark is at the bottom, which is how you would, find your landmark for this design. And that means our first letter is this one. So here's our word circle. That word circle is this blue circle here, and this line shows this line in the unraveled version, which is what this is here. So here we have a completed circle inside our word circle, so we're in this row, and there are two lines ending on it, these two thick ones. That makes it a P, because two lines are on the P. This line passing through doesn't count, because line modifiers count where they end on a letter stem. So this would just be a P. Then we have this deep divot here, like an omega or horseshoe, so we're in the top row. Again, it's here with, again, two lines, 1, 2, making it an H, because a P and an H are in the same column. And then we have 1, 2 dots on this Y, which is a circle on the line of the word circle. And then we have this shallow divot here, like a bite taken out of a cookie. You know what? I'm going to adjust a thing. So I'm going to do something here. Oops, come on. We're going to take this, and we're actually gonna expand this to completely fill. I can't because that H would be in the way. Never mind. Just kidding. Just because this is kind of busy and it'll kind of blend through, I'm worried, in the tattoo. Like, this will kind of merge together a little bit. Maybe if I shrink the whole thing. No, same thing, same issue. Anyway, whatever. If this kind of blends together, that's okay, because there's no real typos that would happen. We would still tell that there's this divot taken out of this letter, this taken out of this letter. The hardest part would be the H, which might look a bit like a P, because this line would look like it's completed when it's here. But I'm not too worried about that. Plus, this is drawn to scale at a really small scale of 3.5 inches tall and 2.5 inches wide, because I know you said you wanted it to be around 3.5 inches, and I just made that the maximum diameter. You can increase the size if you like, but anyway, that's enough rambling. Let's get to the reading. Here we have a deep divot with two lines making an H. E is centered right in the middle of that H stem, so you'll notice this I in physician is nestled in... Oh, wait, we were in physician. We hadn't gotten to the C or the I. So this I have separated from the S like that, because your I can either be by itself or it can be enclosed. So that would be an I by itself, line going towards the middle here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on the C, another I, another A outside the circle, and then last but not least, we have our N, which has one line ending on it. So that'd be physician. Then we have a deep divot. So we're on the word heel now. Deep divot with 1, 2 lines as an H, an E. This E is actually nestled inside it like that. A outside the word circle, and then 1, 2, 3 dots on this L. And even though this L isn't nestled right here, I scooted it over here to kind of help with the balance of the design. We can still tell these 3 dots go here, because there's no other letter close by for those dots to count on. Then we have the bottom of this word circle here. Our first letter is a T, a shallow divot with no modifiers. An H is a deep divot with 1, 2 line modifiers, and then 1, 2 dots on the Y. Yes, there is a TH symbol. It's right here. We do not have to use that TH symbol if we do not want to. I wanted to use an actual T so I could get this nice little nestle here with the heel connecting the physician and then the I. And then we have an S, 1, 2, 3 lines, sneaky guys. E on the line of the word circle, 3 dots on the L, and then this F has 1, 2, 3 lines. So that would be physician, heal thyself. I hope you like the design. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns or anything like that. So yeah, that's that. I hope you like it. Bye.